Alright, check it out here. We got this engine case that came in from a customer, and the thread's stripped out on this thing, and they put some JB Weld on there to hold them over, keep their case from leaking. And you know, it definitely worked, but you know, it's not a permanent fix. So we're going to see about getting some of this stuff removed and look at what we got, you know, as far as the thread pitch and all that. Maybe we can just put a helicoil in there, and then it'll have a good strong thread, and it'll be repaired. So we're going to work on getting this stuff removed and uncover kind of how bad it really is stripped, and we'll go from there. We're just going to try to use a Dremel, start removing some material. Grab a wrench and see if we can move anything. Just a standard drain bolt, 12mm by 1.5 pitch. So once we got everything cleaned up, we just confirm, so that way we know the exact helicoil insert to use. We got a gauge pin in here just to kind of indicate in on the old strip threads, so we know we're good and straight. So now we'll set up the machine and go ahead and drill this out and tap it for the helicoil insert. Alright, we got this tap set up. This thing, you got to use this little sleeve and mandrel. Let's see how far is that. All right. All right, she's installed now. Just got to break the tang. There it is. Done deal. Should be good and seated. You always install the helicoils a thread or two below the surface, and yeah, so that should hold up pretty good, and he'll be able to reuse the OEM drain plug. Yeah, that's it. That thing's all done. Another little repair job, pretty common stuff that comes in through the shop, and you know, that steel thread with helicoil will be stronger than the aluminum, and you know, you still torque it at the manufacturer's service spec. It'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, short and sweet, and yep, got more content coming for you. Thanks.